escaping the hub and spoke trap. Are you the bottleneck in your business? Does every decision flow through you? If that's the case, you are stuck in the hub and spoke trap. This model leads to burnout and limits growth. Your business shouldn't depend on you for everything. What is the problem with the hub and spoke model? The hub and spoke model is where every decision is made by you. Every person comes to you for an outcome. They come to you for an answer. That means you are involved in every decision of your business. You are involved in every transaction, and that leads to burnout. We want to avoid that. So here is how we break free from the hub and spoke trap. Step 1, delegate authority. Let your team make decisions. Give them the authority and autonomy to make decisions and run with them. Systemize the processes so that the business can run without you. Systemize processes so that people can understand the steps that they need to take, the questions they need to ask, and where they find the resources, so they do not have to come to you for the answers. Use technology and automation to reduce your workload. Some steps in your process can be delegated, some can be automated, and some completely are unnecessary and should be removed. The next step, redesign your organization chart. Remove yourself from every role. Map out the roles, but systematically have a plan to remove yourself from each of those roles in your business. If you want a business that works without you, the first step is to actually assess, what are the problems with my business? To find out the steps you need to take to avoid the hub and spoke trap, take our value assessment and you will get a scorecard which shows you the key areas that you need to improve on your business. That will help you move away from the hub and spoke trap, unlock value, and create a better business for your life.